Good morning, children. In today's class, we will see about some more internal organ, and in that, first one is heart. We all have heart. Yes or no? It is an internal organ. It is a pumping organ. So it is located a little to the left of the middle of our chest. Yes or no? Yes. Actually, heart is a muscle. Okay, we have muscles. Yes or no? There are lots of muscles all over our body. For example, in our arms, legs, in your back, even in your behind, you have muscles. Okay. So it is a heart muscle is very much special to us because of its work. It sends blood around your body. Yes or no, children? So see here, our heart is the pumping organ. It pumps blood to all parts of the body. It lies in between the lungs, almost in the center of the chest. Okay, so slightly it will be towards the left hand side. Okay, it is made up of muscles. Actually, it is a muscle. Okay, our heart beats about 72 times in a minute. For a minute, how many times it beats? 72 times. Okay, if you are free, just check it out. Okay, then this is the basic functions of a heart. Then coming to kidneys. So like in a kidney are pair of organs which is of bean shaped. So by seeing the picture itself, you can see that it is like a bean shaped. It is of pair. Okay, so two parts will be there. So one of the main job of the kidney is to filter the waste out of blood. The kidneys send the waste onto the bladder in the form of urine. Okay, so the main job of a kidney is to remove all the waste from the blood and letting outside. Okay, so we have two kidneys. They are bean shaped organs. The kidneys purify blood by filtering excess water and toxins. Toxins is nothing but poisonous items. So we have two kidneys. Yes or no? So everyone are having two kidneys. See here, exactly half of a single kidney. Half of single. So in one kidney, two kidneys we have, half of a single kidney is capable of doing the job that is performed by two kidneys together. See how much important it is. And then the next thing is, next internal organ we are going to see about bones and muscles. Okay, underneath our skin are lots of things that make up our body. Two of these are bones and muscles. Bones give shape to our body and it helps us to stand up straight. Muscles are attached to bony. They help us walk, run, smile, etc. So these needs some calcium to keep us healthy. Okay. So the foods we have to take to get some calcium are milk, nuts, cheese, eggs. These are things which will have calcium in that, and it so that we will get some calcium and it will keep us healthy. To have stronger muscles, we have to do regular exercise and we have to be active. So our body is made up of bones and muscles. Press your upper arm, the portion that feel hard. So see, when you are pressing it, the thing which is that feels hard to touch is the bone. The portion that feels soft to touch is the muscle. Okay, which will be, our skin will be the outer layer. Yes or no? Inside that it will be, will have some soft part, that is the muscle. Okay, so by seeing the picture itself, you can say which are bones and which is muscle. Okay, so the bones give us shape. They are the frame of our body. It will be giving the shape to our body. It is the framework of our body, and allow us to jump, run, or just lie down. So to do all the activities, these bones and muscles will be helping us. So bones also protect the internal parts of the body. So it is very strong, right? So this rib cage will be protecting. So this is of bones only, no? So these will be protecting our lungs and also the heart. Okay, so not only this one, so each and every bone part will be helpful for us, and it will be protecting our internal parts. So muscles are the soft parts that cover our bones. They help us to move different parts of our body by contracting and relaxing like a rubber band. So in order to maintain healthy bones, we need to have healthy food such as milk, cheese and eggs. For strong muscles, we need to exercise and stay active. Okay, so I told you already, right? So to keep our bones and muscles strong, we have to have do some exercise and have some healthy item. So some facts are given here. Babies are born with 300 bones, but by adulthood the number is reduced to 206. Actually, we are getting birth with 300 bones, and later it will be reducing to 206 bones. So the adults have 206 bones. 17 muscles are functioning while smiling and 43 while frowning. So always we have to smile. Okay, if you are frowning, your muscles function will be much faster. So you will be you can't save your energy, and your energy will be draining. So keep smiling always. Okay, and if you care for your brain, you have to sleep for 8 hours. If you want to care for your heart, avoid fatty items. So if you want to care your stomach, eat healthy food on time. If you want to care your kidney, drink more water. If you want to care your bones and muscles, exercise regularly. So the human body has more than 600 muscles. How many muscles we have? More than 600 muscles. The longest bone will be thigh bone. The smallest bone is stapes in ears. Inside our ears we have a bone, that is stapes. The longest bone is in the thigh. Okay, so in this today in this lesson we have seen about heart, kidneys and bones and muscles. Tomorrow we will see about teeth and its importance. Okay, thank you.